In this video, you'll be learning how to use a water sensor. This is a sensor that can detect the presence, the level, and the purity of water. So this sensor can do right up to three things with water. Detect if there's water, if the water is pure, and which level is the water. So in this video, we're going to be learning how to use the sensor to detect the presence of water. So for that, we'll be firstly needing a water sensor. Then we're going to need a LED and its resistor that will detect the presence and absence of light. And then we're going to need our microcontroller, which will be our ESP32 board. Then in addition to all of that, we are going to need our jumper wires for the connections. One thing to note is that the water sensor will be connected to pin 34 on our ESP32 board, and our LED will be connected to pin 14 on our ESP32 board. So without further ado, let's go into the connection. Okay, so here is it. We'll finish our connection. Now let's go to our Arduino IDE and upload our code to the system and see how it works. Our code, which is found in the description below. We have initialized our water sensor to pin 34 and our LED pin to pin 14. Then there's a threshold of 500. You can modify it according to your water sensor. So here's the code, and we're also using a serial monitor to display when there is water and when there is no water. And one thing that we have done with this code to make it very good is that if the value is constant, it just display this water once. When the value changes, that's when it comes back into this code and display that there is no water. So you'll not see a lot of, let me say, displaying on the CM monitor, a lot of displaying that there's water, this water, this water, this water, like the previous code. We just show there's water. If now the value changes, that's when it goes to there is no water. So here's the code. Let's now upload it to our ESP32 board, which is already connected. So I'll finish uploading our code. On our serial monitor is now displaying water sensor monitoring the system ready to monitor. So that's our sensor. As you can see, the system is ready to monitor. And let's see, we're going to put some water on it. I'm going to put some water. As you can see, it says water detected, LED on. So our LED is on and the water is detected. And if you can see clearly, there's some water that I put on the sensor. Now let me wipe away the water. Let me wipe the water that I put. Our LED goes off, signaling that there's no water. And on our serial monitor, it shows no water on it. And this is the cup that I'm taking my water from. I take some water, I place it again on the sensor. It shows water detected, LED on, and our LED is on. So this is a simple system. You must not even need the serial monitor. When there's water on the sensor, the LED comes on. When there's no water, the LED goes off. So simple and easy.